A very good morning, class. I have explained about that how to balance the chemical equation by ion electron method, and in that only I have given you four questions, actually two for acidic and two for basic medium. So I hope you people got it how to solve this. So just I am solving it here. You are supposed to just match the answer whether you have done in the correct way or not. Okay, so let's start with this. As I told you that first oxidation number we have to find. So since in this case there is no need to find because already the charge is given, so oxidation number is already given, so no need to find this. Yes, for this you have to find. So chromium is in +6 state. You can find the oxidation state very easily. Now no need to for this and this. Yes, so find the oxidation and reduction. This Fe is undergoing oxidation over here, so let me write over here oxidation, and this chromium is undergoing reduction. Yes, so first we will write the oxidation half reaction and then reduction half reaction, and we will solve after that. Okay, so let me write this oxidation half reaction. This is oxidation half reaction. That means this Fe +2 is going to change into Fe +3. So let me write like this, and then the reduction half reaction is like Cr2O7 -2 is going is undergoing reduction for the Cr +3. Yes, so just first step we have done, second step also we have done half reaction. Third step is balance the central atom. So just balance the central atom. Fe is 1 over here, Fe is 1 over here, so that means it is balanced. In this case the chromium is 2, but here chromium is 1 only. So what you are supposed to do, you have to multiply by 2. Now fourth step is find the total difference in oxidation number. So total number, here nothing is there, so we will assume at 1 is into 2, and here 3. So that means total difference is of 1 electron, and that should be written as an electron form in the side where the charge is already maximum. So that means 1 electron we will add on this side. Yes, I hope it is clear. Now for this, if we find the total difference, for 1 chromium it is 6, so for 2 chromium it is 12, and for 1 chromium it is 3, so for 2 chromium it is 6. So that means difference is of 6 electron, and it should be added in which side? Obviously this. So this is the major mistake. Many students do like this. They will do 6 and 3 only. The difference they will find 3. But it is not like that. First, stepwise you have to follow. If you will do up and down, so you might get wrong answer. Okay. So that's why we have done. Now what you have to do? You have to just then after next fifth step is that balance the oxygen and followed by hydrogen. So oxygen is not there, so no need to balance, but in this case oxygen is 7, so we have to add 7 H2O, and to make hydrogen balance, that 14 H plus should be added on this LHS. Clear? Okay, so now in the next step you have to multiply by such number so that that number of electrons will be equal in both the case. Yes, so that means it should be multiplied. So let me write it as equation 1, and this is equation 2. So equation 1 should be multiplied by 6, and then add equation 2. Yes, simply. So what will be the answer? Just 6 Fe +2. Yes, and then reactants, all that reactant I will write here. It is 6 electron. Let me write like this, plus Cr2O7 -2 plus 14 H plus, and then RHS. So Fe +3, 6 Fe +3, 6 से multiply किया हुआ है. Yes, plus 2 Cr +3 plus 7 H2O. What next? This is 6 electron here. I forgot. Here this is 1 electron, so that means 6 electron will be added. Yes. So now the 6 electron and 6 electron will be cancelled out. So write the final answer. This will be 6 Fe +2 plus Cr2O7 -2 plus 14 H plus will give you 6 Fe +3 plus 2 Cr +3 plus 7 H2O. I hope it is clear. You just check the number of atom. Fe 6, chromium 2, chromium 2, hydrogen 14, oxygen 7. Yes, and charge check karo. This is 6 2s are 12 plus 12 minus 2 plus 14. That means it is 10, 24 plus 24. Check on this side. 6 3s are plus 18 and plus 3 2s are 6. So that means plus 24. So equation is balanced, you can write. Yes? Any doubt in this? Now let's do the next question. This is SO3. Again, find the oxidation number. This will be plus 6 over here. SO3 6, sorry, plus 4 it will be. Plus 4, yes. And here it is, S is in plus 6 state. Here it is plus 6 chromium and already given for this. Find the oxidation reduction. This is undergoing oxidation. And here it is undergoing reduction. Yes. So write the half cell reaction, half reaction, oxidation, half reaction. That means SO3 minus 2 will give you SO4 minus 2 and reduction half reaction. That will give you Cr2O7 minus 2 change into Cr plus 3. The next same way we will do. Number of atoms balance, already balanced, so no need. Here it is 2 but here it is 1, so just balance it and then find the difference, total difference. It will be 2 difference, so there are 2 this is plus 6, so 2 electrons should be added on this side, and in this case 6 difference, so 6 electrons should be added on this side, isn't it? Okay, now oxygen and hydrogen should be balanced. So oxygen is, this is 4 and this is 1, so that means 1 H2O will be added on this side. Yes, and to balance it 2 hydrogen should be added on this side. Clear? Okay, now in this case 7 oxygen, so balance it 7 H2O, and to balance hydrogen 14 H plus on this side. Multiply by that number so that the electrons will be same in both cases. So equation 1 multiplied by 3 added equation 2. Yes, so just let me write 3SO3 minus 2 plus 3H2O, and then this 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2, and then product SO4, that means 3SO4 minus 2 plus 6 electron plus 6H plus 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7H2. There should be no problem, I think. Yes. Now the 6 electron will be cancelled. Now here 14H plus and here on 6H plus. Here 3H2O, 7H2O. So we will balance it. So we can write it here like 3SO3 minus 2, 3H2O, 7H2O. So just cancel it. Yes. And Cr2O7, 14H plus 6H plus. So 6 will be cancelled out. So it remains with 8H plus. Yes. And then 3SO4 minus 2 plus H plus cancelled, 2 Cr plus 3 and 7H2O, 3 cancelled, so 4H2O left. Same case, you have to identify again the charge. The number of atoms is balanced. Charge minus 6. This is minus 2 plus 8. That means total is 0. Here minus 6 plus 6. Total is 0. Yes. And since it is acidic medium, so you have to check that it should be H plus should be there in the product, in the final reaction. So H plus is there. That means this reaction is balanced. Yes. Now move to next question. And that was this Cl2 plus OH minus, ClO minus, Cl minus, ClO minus. This is again an example of disproportionation reaction. Why disproportionation reaction? Because the same element of the same compound undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. Yes. So okay, again find the oxidation number. This is in free state, so 0. Here it is minus 1 and here it is plus 1. Calculate it. Then oxidation reduction. This is undergoing reduction and this is undergoing oxidation. So just write the half reaction, oxidation half reaction, and then after reduction half reaction. Yes, oxidation half reaction, Cl2 change into ClO minus, and reduction half reaction, Cl2 change into Cl minus. Next step is write the balance the central atom. Yes, so this is 2, so that's why 2 over here. This is again 2, so 2 over here also. Yes. Then find the total difference. Total difference is 2 into 0, 0, and 2 plus 1 plus 2. So that means total difference of 2 electron should be added on the that side where the charge is already maximum more. Yes, in this case it is 0 and this is -2, again 2 electron difference, so just add it on this side, no issue. Now balance the oxidation oxygen. So oxygen is here 2 and their side no, so you have to add 2 H2O. Clear? To balance hydrogen, 4 H plus on this side. Clear? Now in this case nothing to balance. Yes, so let it be. What we next we will multiply by such number so that the number of electrons will be same, already same, so no need. So just add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. What you will get? You will get this Cl2 plus 2H2O. Then this is 2 electron minus plus Cl2. Yes, change into 2 ClO minus plus 2 electron plus 4H and plus 2 Cl minus. So this 2 electron will be cancelled since it is in basic medium, as I told you. And we also can say that it is in OH minus is already given in the question. That means it is quite basic medium. So for the basic medium, what it should be in the final result, the OH minus should be there. So it's there. Yes, let me write this. Okay, what we will do. So it is mentioned over there. That means at the last step, after doing all this, at the last step, we have to add the same number of OH minus on both sides. Okay, as many hydrogen is already, H plus ion is already added in this. So in this case it is 4H plus, so that's why we will add 4OH minus, and this side also 4OH minus. So now write the final product, final result actually. So final result will be Cl2, is it visible? Yes, plus 2H2O plus this Cl2 and Cl2, that means it will be 2Cl2, can I write, plus 4OH minus will be changed into 2ClO minus, and this is 4H plus and 4OH minus will convert into water, 4H2O. So 2H2O is already here. So what I will do, I will just cut this, and here 2H2O I will write plus 2Cl minus. I hope it is clear. Yes. So now just check how many chlorine, 4, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Oxygen total 4, here also 2 and 2, 4. Now just check the charge. There are 4 minus, charge is -4, and here also -2, that means -4. Charge is also balanced. And the third thing, that since it is a basic medium, so OH minus should be there in the final reaction, so that it is there. So that means we can write equation is balanced. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now the next equation which I have given you as a homework, that is Br minus plus MnO4 minus change into BrO3 minus plus MnO2 minus. Now you can say that how I will identify whether it is basic, medium or not. First though, the question can be easy by giving that balance the equation in the basic medium. Okay. Another case, if it is not mentioned, so for other elements it will be OH minus will be there over there in the reaction. But for Mn case, if it is there is a change of 5 electrons, it must be in the acidic medium, and if there is a change of 3 electrons, it will be in the basic medium. So just find the oxidation number. It is +7 and here it is +2. Sorry, +4. So what is the difference? 3 electron. That means it is in the basic medium. Yes. Now for the bromine, it is already given, so no need to find. Here you will find it is +5. I hope it is clear. So now find the oxidation and reduction. This is Br minus to Br +5, that means it is undergoing oxidation, and this is +7 to +4, that means it is reduction. So just write the half cell reaction and the half reaction, oxidation half reaction, and then reduction half reaction. So oxidation half reaction is Br minus going to change into BrO3 minus, and reduction half reaction is MnO4 minus change into MnO2 minus, O2. Yes. Next step, like let me write the oxidation number. Yes. Next step is you have to write the total difference. So total difference, again it is, for one it is next step is balance the central atom. So 1 bromine, 1 bromine, here also 1 manganese, 1 manganese, so that is balanced. Next step, find the total difference. So total difference is of, for 1 it is -1, So for 1 it is plus 5. That means total difference is it 4? No, it's minus 1 to plus 5. That means the total difference is of 6. Got it? So 6 electron I have to add. Just don't forget about this sign. This is minus 1 and changes to plus 5. That means 6 electron it has taken. Yes, there's the 6 electron difference over there. Now in this case plus 7, so plus 4. So that means 3 electrons. So let me write over here 3 electron. Done. Next, oxygen balance. So 3 oxygen over there, but no oxygen. So just put the 3H2 over here, and to balance hydrogen, it will be 6H plus over here. Similarly, in this case, oxygen 4, but oxygen 2. So 2H2 add, and to balance hydrogen, 4H plus will be added in this side. Next, we have to multiply by such number so that the electron will be same. So that means this is equation 1, and this is equation 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2 into 2. Can I do? So 3 into 2, 6 ho jayega. Electron will be balanced. So now write the reaction. So this is Br minus plus 3H2O. No change in equation 1, but equation 2 will do that. Plus 6 electron plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus. Now product side, BrO3 minus 6 electron plus 6 hydrogen, no change. And for the product we will write that 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O. Now what next? This electron will be cancelled out. Yes. So and this is 3H2O, this is 4H2O, so write that also. So we'll write Br minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus change into BrO3 minus plus 2 MnO2, and this is 8H plus, this is 6H plus, so that can also be balanced. Yes, can I write 2H plus? Okay, plus here 4H2O, here 3H2O, so 1 will be left on this side, so H2O, and it out in this. Now at last, since it is the basic medium, so what we are supposed to do, add same number of OH minus on both sides as the number of hydrogen is already added. So that means 2H plus, so add 2 OH minus over this side, there also 2 OH minus, and just make it, this will be 2H2O, isn't it? And this is 1H2O. So can I cancel 1H2O? So it will be, the final answer will be Br minus plus 2 MnO4 minus, this is 2H2O, and this is 1H2O. So 1H2O will left out here. Yes, change into BrO3 minus plus 2 MnO2 and plus 2 OH minus. So now check the charges. Atoms are balanced, 1 bromine, 2 manganese, 8 oxygen and 9 oxygen here. Here 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So now charge. This is minus 1, minus 2, and here it is minus 1, minus 2. So total is minus 3 on this side, minus 3 on this side. So both the things are correct. Now third step, since it is in basic medium, so OH minus should be there in the final result. So OH minus is there, that means the equation is balanced. Yes, I hope it is clear. So now we will do balancing with the oxidation number method. This was the ion electron method. Now we will do with the balanced oxidation number method. Okay, so let me write all the steps and then I will tell you. Okay class, so now balancing chemical equation through oxidation number method. I have already explained about the ion electron method and now the oxidation number method. Both are almost same. There is no difference in that. The first step was there also find the oxidation number of the central atom on both sides. Here also half reaction separately, you can write it, or this step we can skip. Once we will practice, we can skip this. Okay, so then balance the central atom, find the total difference in the oxidation number, and there is a change. In that case, we were adding the difference in oxidation number as electron on the side where the charge is already maximum. Yes, but here what we will do, we will just simply write the number in the side. Clear? And rest again the same thing. Oxygen should be balanced first, and it will be balanced by adding H2O. Hydrogen should be balanced by H plus. See, if acidic medium is there, we will leave it by this step, yahan tak chhod denge. But if it is in basic medium, we have to do this 8th step. Okay, इस 8th step को हमें करना होगा. Okay, so I have written a question over here, so let's do this. Yes, the same way we will do. First let me explain with the detailed way, and then at last we will do in the short way also. Okay, so here find the oxidation number. You will find the oxidation number. It is in +7 here, and this is +3 over here, this is -1 over here, and it is 0 over here. Yes, so oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction, but you don't have to write separately. You just write in that way, that Cl2O7 change into ClO2. Yes, minus. So oxidation number, let it be +7, and here it is +3. So just next step is balance the element central atom. So 2Cl, so that's why we will do that. And then third step is find the differences. So 2 7s are 14, and here 2 3s are 6. So difference is of 8 electrons. So just write in this side. Okay. The next step is very same, H2O2, and that we will do with this O2. So find the oxidation number. Here it is -1, and here it is in 0. So the difference is of, since atom are equal, so find the difference. Difference is of 2, 2 minus 1, 2, and 0. So we can make it simple. Yes, this will be 1 and this will be 4. Now what next? Balance the element, that oxygen and hydrogen, and then followed after that we will do the cross multiplication. Okay, so in this case 7 oxygen this side, and there the 4, so we will add 3H2O, and to balance hydrogen we have to add 6H plus in this case. Yes, now in this case 2 oxygen, so hydrogen balance 2H plus. Now do this cross multiplication. यहाँ पे very important thing we have to do, that we don't have to just multiply by such number, we have to just do the cross multiplication. This is the important point, and this is the difference in oxidation number method and ion electron method. There is only difference. So now cross multiply and then add it. So we will add this 6H, let it be 6H plus, then Cl2O7 we have to multiply by 1, Cl2O7, then write the reaction complete. This is H2O2 multiplied by 4, cross multiplication. So 4H2O2, and that is going to change into 2ClO2 minus plus 3H2O, yes, plus 4O2 and plus 8H plus, isn't it? So now 8H plus this side, this is 6H plus, so it can be balanced. So we can write it Cl2O7 plus 4H2O2, and that is going to change and will give you 2ClO2 minus plus 3H2O plus 4O2 plus 2H plus. See, we can leave the equation here also. If nothing is there, that which medium is you have to balance, if nothing is mentioned, we can leave it here. Okay, but specify कर दिया जाए that balance this in acidic medium, in acidic in basic medium, if it is specified. Okay, then what next we have to do? In this case we will add the OH minus for that. Okay, so just add it. Will this 2H plus, so equal number of OH minus should be added on both sides. So just 2OH on this side as well as 2OH on this side. Yes, so what next? The final equation will be, these two will give you 2H2O, and already there is 3H2O, so we'll combine to give 5H2O. So the answer will be Cl2O7 plus 4H2O2 will give you plus 2OH minus will give you 2ClO2 minus plus 5H2O. This time it will be 5H2O plus 4O2. Now check the atom. 2 chlorine, 7 oxygen over here, 8 oxygen 15, and 2 17. Here 4, 5, 9, and 8 17. Hydrogen 2 and 8 10. This is 10. So all are balanced. Charge check kar lo, -2, and here also -2. So equation is balanced. Got it? Any doubt in this case? So what is the only difference? In that case we were multiplying by such number so that the number of electrons will be equal, but in this case we have to just do the cross multiplication. I hope you got it. One more equation and then I will tell you the short method also. So here I am writing the next equation, and the next equation is like N2H4 plus ClO3 minus change into an O plus Cl minus. Okay, so let's balance this. The same thing we will follow. Find the oxidation number here. It is -2 and this one is +2 over here. This is +5 over here and this is -1 over here. So what next? We will write the this is undergoing reduction over here, and here it is oxidation. So no need to mention even, we can write separately. And this is N2H4 is going to change into NO. So just mention the oxidation number over here and then find the make it equal central atom. Okay, so 2 nitrogen over here, so make it 2 over here. Now find the differences. Differences will be 2 2s are 4 -4 and here 2 2s are +4. So difference is from -4 to +4. That means total difference is 8. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now next is balance the oxygen. So 2 oxygen over here, so that's why 2H2O will be added over here. And in this case hydrogen will be 4 and 4 8. So 8H plus will be added in this side. Clear? Now the next step, ClO3 minus, that is going to change into Cl minus. So here it is +5 and here it is -1. So what is the difference? Difference is of 6. +5 to -1, that means it is 6. Okay, so make the oxygen balance. 3 oxygen, so that's why 3H2 over here. Okay, so to make it equal this 6 hydrogen, what we have to do? We have to multiply, add here 6H plus. So then added. And what next? After balancing all this hydrogen and oxygen, we have balanced. Okay, so next step is just doing this cross multiplication. This is the important part. We have to do in the this way. In the oxidation number method, we have to do this cross multiplication. So just cross multiply and then add the equation and write it like. So let me write with this N2H4. So it will be multiplied by 3. So 3 N2H4 plus 2H2O, already here 3 multiplied, so this will be 6H2O plus, then in this case these all are reactant, we have to write 6H plus will be multiplied by 4, so it will be 24H plus 4 ClO3 minus, isn't it? Change into 3 2s are 6 NO plus 3 8s are 24H plus this is 4 Cl minus plus 12H2O. Any doubt in this? Now what next? This 24H plus and 24H plus are common, so it will be cancelled out. Write the equation. There are 6H2O but here 12H2O, so it will go like cancel, it will be cancelled. So let me write the equation, final equation. This is 3 N2H4 plus 4 ClO3 minus, change into 6 NO plus 4 Cl minus plus 6H2O, isn't it? Now check. Number of hydrogen, 3 2s are 6. Number of hydrogen 12, here also 12. Oxygen 12, oxygen 6 here, 6 here, 12, and all that are balanced. Charge check kar lo, 4 minus, here also 4 minus, that means charge are also balanced. So we will write that equation is balanced. I hope it is clear. There should be no doubt. Yes. So this is the important thing, that only difference with the ion electron method, that there we will supposed to multiply by such number so that electron will be same, but here we will do just cross multiplication. Got it? Okay, so now move to next question, and next question I am writing here, CuO plus NH3 change into Cu plus N2 plus water. Okay, so that also that we will do in the short way, okay, in the quick way. So the first step that we have to follow, that it is oxidation number, it is +2 and there is 0, this is 0 and here it is -3. So just check the oxidation and reduction, where it is going to happen now, oxidation and reduction. So let me do this. This is what? Reduction, and change in 2 electrons, so just write 2 electron. Now in this case there is 1 nitrogen but here it is 2 nitrogen, so to make balance it is just make it 2 over here. Now find the differences of this. So what is the difference over here? This is of 6 electron, 2 3s are 6 and here it is 0, so 6 electron, and that is going to be oxidation. I am clear with this? These 2 points are clear? Okay, so what we will do, this change is between copper, so this number we will multiply in this, and this one जो change in nitrogen है, that we will, that by that number we will multiply copper. Cross multiplication is there. So just let me write the product. Okay, one step we can solve. This is 2 and this is 6. That means we can take it common and we can make it simpler also. So just make it 1 and this is 3. Now do this cross multiplication. So in copper we have to multiply by copper oxide, we have to multiply it by this number, cross multiplication, plus in this number we have to multiply by this, that means 2NH3. Then copper again multiplied by 3 Cu, and then nitrogen multiplied by 1. So let me write N2 and this is H2O. What next? You have to balance the oxygen first. So 3 oxygen over here but 1 oxygen over there, so just multiply by 3 and then equalize that number of hydrogen. So just check this, 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 over here. So this equation is balanced. I hope it is clear. So that is the short way you can do. Let's move to next question, and the next question I'm giving you like Cu plus NO3 minus plus H plus will give you NO2 plus Cu plus 2. See, in the question it can be given that in the acidic medium, but in this case it is no need to mention because already H plus is given. Yes, so what we will do, we will just start with the first step, that means finding the oxidation state, and here it is 0, here it is plus 2 already given, here it is plus 5, and here it is plus 4 given. So just write the differences. This is 0 to plus 2, that means oxidation is going to happen by 2 electrons. Yes, so just write this number 2 over here. And for nitrogen, this reduction is going to happen in this case by 1. So just multiply by 1, write 1 number because already nitrogen is balanced. So just difference we will write 1. So again the cross multiplication. So this 2 will be multiplied in case of this nitrogen and 1 will be multiplied in this case of copper. So just let me write this. What I will write, Cu plus, in case of NO3 it will be multiplied by 2. So we will write 2 NO3 minus, then H plus, we'll write it like this. Then NO2 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 NO2 and copper plus 2 will be multiplied by 1, so just 1. Now balance the oxygen. So how many oxygen here? 3 2s are 6. How many oxygen over here? 4. So oxygen will be balanced by adding water. So 2H2O I have added. Now check the hydrogen. How many hydrogen here? 4, but here 1 only. So just write it 4H plus. Done. Last thing, we have to check the charge also because it was charged 1, so we have to find the charge also. We have to check the charge also. So just check it, minus 2 and plus 4. That means total is plus 2 and here it is plus 2. So that means this equation is also balanced. Clear? Now few question I'm giving you as a homework. You have to do it. So let me write the question. The question is, first is MnO2 plus HCl change into MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Second question you have to do like let me write this and we can write this H2S plus MnO4 minus change into S plus Mn plus 2 plus water. Do I need to mention that which medium it is in this case especially? There is no need to mention because already we know that here it is plus 7 plus 2, that means obviously it will be in the acidic medium, isn't it? So just do all these questions. Few more questions I will give you as assignment, so that I will give you later on. These are the 2 questions as for the homework. So we'll meet in next video with the next thing. Till then, thank you class.